Hi, I'm Aung Myint, and in this video, I will be showing you how to extract MySQL data and store it in the local file using the Apache 9 file. First, let me open the Apache 9 file. Now I've started the Apache 9 file, and while opening it, I will make a folder to store the MySQL data in a local file. I will give the folder name as data engineering here. This name. Okay. Okay. Now the 9 file has started. Now I'll create a process group, new process group, and name it MySQL to local. Now inside the process group, I'll make a new process, and I will add, since I need to execute SQL record, I will add the SQL record, and inside the SQL record, I will configure the schedule first, set it to every 1 hour. And in the property, I will add the database connection pool, this one. And I will configure the service. The database connection URL is this one. For the class name, and the driver location. My driver location is in the C and in 9 file lib folder. The 9 file lib, and I have GT MySQL connector here, this location. For the database user is my database username, root, and I add password, and I apply, and I can enable it. And it is enabled. Now for the SQL query, I will be selecting from my table. And for the record writer, I will be adding a new record writer. Go JSON record writer. Okay. Then I will also have to configure this one. For the record writer, I can just enable it. It is enabled now. And for the relationship, I want terminate on failure. And I think I have pretty much configured this one. Now moving on to the next one. I'll add another processor, which is update attribute. To add a file name in the folder when making the file with the MySQL data. For this one, I need to add a new file property, and the file name will be this format. And then the last one I will need will be the put file, to put the file in my local device. Now this one I just have to set the directory to the one that I have created for the data to store, which is inside this folder, this pipe. So I apply, and now I can connect success, add, and for this one, set, add. Now I have figured the relationship to terminate it, and now we can run the processor. Run this, and we run this one. Now the first SQL is executed, and the attribute is also executed, and profile is also executed. So in this file, now there is a data, and let's see if we have all the data inside the file. And yes, they are all the file, all 30 rows are inside this file with the JSON format. Thank you for watching.